I will now introduce our first presenter, who is Rotarian Sylvia. Currently, she's serving as the Assistant Rotary Public Image Coordinator for our zone. So let's put our hands together for Rotarian Sylvia. She's going to speak to us about building our brand. Thank you.
So my responsibility in general is just to guide the district team, and we come together and set the targets, so to speak, of what we're going to do in terms of communication and ensuring that we speak all of us in one voice, right? Today, our target is to know who, what, why, how we're going to be able to achieve this. As the DG said, our main action is to tell our story so that we're able to get more members and meet the goals. So we're supposed to be training our committees, all right? We work together, set the goals for the club when it comes to public image, communicate the same goals downwards. So when the president needs to say something to the club, we are the people who are supposed to be disseminating the information. When your club is having a function, it is you and the committee that actually communicates to the other district. Like now we've been having installations, right? So it is upon you to make sure you have members. Apart from going physically, when we use the tools that we have on social media and all other platforms, that's how we communicate through various ways. So training usually is very key so that we're able to all speak in one language. Why do we do this? Basically, we are the ones who hold the entire Rotary community together. All right? We can all see the screen, and that is the reason why. Because without the right Rotary public image, we'll not be able to attract the right kind of membership. And without membership, that means there's no clubs, right? Then without positive Rotary public image, how would the Rotary Foundation and our clubs continue to build reputation that would create the confidence of donations, credible partnerships, and generally back again to membership? Public image is the core of everything about Rotary. What is the one thing that unites all of us if you see it anywhere, everywhere that you know? What is the logo? The wheel, right? So that actually is the emblem. The challenges that we're going through is when we are applying the logo in different colors and different backgrounds, right? So you can see when you're doing against a blue background, this is in summary, we shall do it practically later. So when you have the Rotary wheel, the name, the master brand is when it is the two of them, blue and gold. When you're applying it in a background, you have different options, either fully white, or you reverse the text and retain the gold, or if you're using the wheel in totality. Are we together up until that point? When it comes to a white background, it is all indicated there. Then we have three main colors. Because I've seen from what has been going around, I've been studying, and we are seeing that everyone is trying to fit with whatever color they feel pleased. Kindly let's remember, the colors are standard. We have two shades of blue, the dark, the lighter. That is the cyan and the royal blue. Then we have the Rotary gold. So those are the official colors when you're trying to adjust the logo in the different aspects of it. When we are applying it to our logos, we have the rules that state it is Rotary Club of, then you insert your name. So when you're using and placing the logos in an area where you have other things around it, the sublingual rule is nothing should be around the logo in that space. Meaning the height of the R or the I or the Rotary height. All the way around. Designers, please. You take your R, take it all around, and that's your white area clear space. So there should be nothing close to it except the text that goes down here. Are we together? It says, together we inspire. Then Rotary, people of action. So this is also what we are trying to push now. Other than just saying Rotary, let's also say what it is that we do. It speaks better. When it comes to the wheel and application of the wheel, kindly I would advise, please post it on the group for approval. But basically, one, you cannot use it as a watermark. I've seen when people use it in the background, it is not allowed. Letterhead, whatever it is, whatever artwork, it is not allowed. Then on the same issue, this is actually not right. Okay? I had forgotten. This is not right. You cannot place the wheel here. Remember the same rules we said? It is always independent. Placing it in the middle here is wrong. This was done a long time ago. And then to rectify, this is not our district logo. Okay? So this has been, because you see some of these things we do as district, then we get clarification from RI. So the judgment was passed last year, end of the year, that has just ended. This was actually specifically designed for our district lapel pins.
There's one thing that you said that really struck me like a stick through the heart. Like,
At least you're alive.
yeah, so
we did not get an ambulance on standby, so
that you can that you're not allowed to use the wheel as a watermark.
yes.
So what Rotary corporate identity can you use as a watermark? Can
None.
you use the theme? Nothing. Okay.
Thank you very much. We can now close our laptop so that we can move on to social media.
A round of applause, please, for Sylvia.